Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of digital learning. I'm trying to embed the camera here, but you can see that the camera function isn't really working today. So I'm sorry you're not going to see me in my pajamas this morning. So a few quick announcements. LGPE has officially been canceled. We are going to continue working on 2 of the pieces, and we're going to replace the third with a new piece. I'll talk more about that because it's coming up in the assignment for the week. And for my honor orchestra and my 8th grade students, Southern Star has been canceled as well. Six Flags is closed. We're not sure when it's going to open back up. We're also not quite sure when we're going back to school. You guys know about as much of that as I do. Like right now, the plan is Gwinnett County says through the end of spring break, and then after spring break, who knows? Okay. So we'll see. I'm sorry that it's been canceled. We'll try to find some kind of alternative for you guys. I hope we're able to do that. Okay, so let's jump into the assignment for this week. So we're going to go to our Google Classroom page from our eClass page. And then if I go to, let's go to 7A today. Let's see what's going on. And I'm going to head to classwork in Google Classroom. And we're started separating things by weeks, okay? Just because we don't know how long we're going to be in this. So digital learning discussion page that I created here. You guys, I would love your thoughts on anything on related to digital learning on the assignments. If it's too little work, if you're like, please, Miss Reagan, give me more. I want more digital learning assignments. That's great. Let us know if it's too much, if it's taking you like 5 hours to complete or more. Let us know how it's going. If there's a certain activity that you really, really enjoyed, give us a heads up on that because maybe we can create more of those. We're new to this, just like you are new to this. So the only way that we can improve and make this more user friendly is if the users, and that would be you guys, give us input on what's working. So please use the discussion board and give us some thoughts. And also, if you have any questions, you can put it here. Okay, so let's go to this week's assignments. And let's go to the Google slide. And we created the checklist again, so you can go through and see where you are in the process. And as you complete an assignment, if you want to, you can add your little check mark to it. So if you do the first one, you saw me do this last time. If you want to just paste a little check mark here, you're good, okay? The checklist looks kind of long today, but most of these activities are very, very quick. Okay, so it's a lot of short, quick activities. Honestly, most of this you could probably finish in one sitting in one day. So the first activity that we have is to complete an LGPE survey. And as I mentioned, we're going to continue working on 2 of the LGPE pieces. You guys have done some really great work, and I'm really proud of all of your teachers are really proud of what you guys have done with that. But I think we all would agree we're ready for something new. So we're going to vote on which 2 pieces we want to continue on and which one we want to say goodbye to. So here is your chance. There's the survey. Take it there. Okay. The next assignment is you are going to plan a concert using JW Pepper. And the premise is you have $200. You're going to go to the website JW Pepper and pick music from there. If you watch this video, it explains how to go to Pepper, how to do a search on Pepper, what type of music to look for. And then here is the assignment for you to complete. And if you look at the assignment, I've embedded the instruction video in there. So if you want to just jump in, there's the instruction video. But I promise you, if you watch the instructions, it'll all make sense. Next slide. Ms. Pittman has created a rhythm tutorial and a quiz for you. So if you click on your class and you open up the page, there is, well, first you got to put out a name. Sorry, Salma. So you watch the video, and then you're going to answer the questions below. It's pretty easy and self-explanatory. Okay, next assignment is duck soup. Okay, so some of you guys have experienced duck soup. A lot of you guys haven't had the opportunity to do duck soup. It's a really, really cool just web page you go to, but you're going to need the class code. So here's the link to go to duck soup. And here is the how-to video that Ms. Pittman created for you guys who are first-time users of DuckSoup. And just like everything we do, you're going to log in using your Google. So if you're going to it from your classroom assignment, it should be pretty easy. You'll probably just select login using Google and select your username. Okay, and then finally, new piece time. Okay, so we're going to click on your button for your class. So I'm pretending I'm a 7th grader today, so I'm going to the 7th grade page. Violins, just learn the same part you were for LGPE. So if you were first violin, stick with first violin. If you were second, stick with second. I'm sorry, I would like to mix it up, but we just don't have that luxury right now. And each page has a play along video and then an image of the music. And then if you want the printable version of the music, you can click here to a link, or even just a full screen version because that image is really tiny. Okay, so if you're able to print it, great. If not, it's still here for you to use, okay? And I may create a page just with all of that music inserted there for you on Google Classroom. And then the last slide is a performance of March of the Czar. And by the way, this performance right here of these kids is like professional grade quality. I was quite impressed with it last night. Just a side note. Okay. Then after you listen to your piece and read through it once, you're going to create a scavenger hunt concerning the piece. And no worries, I embedded the images here. If you weren't able to print it out, you can reference these images. And then you just answer those questions. It's pretty easy and self-explanatory. Next slide, you're going to watch a video. And then this slide, you are going to insert some kind of funny meme or GIF or YouTube video that's music related. And remember, your teachers are seeing this, so please keep it PG rated for our sakes. And some of these we may share on our scrolling bulletin board on our eClass page. So look for yours to maybe show up there. Okay, and then the final thing that you probably already knew, you're going to continue practicing 20 minutes, 5 days a week. Here's a link to the same old assignment that we've been doing all year round. So that's our assignments for this week. If you have any questions, you can shoot any of us an email. You can use that discussion page, and you can make a comment in the Google assignments. And you guys, we miss you guys. We're going to have some Zoom sessions where we can see each other and have some question and answer sessions, and maybe even some playing sessions this week. So look for some communication concerning that. Bye, guys, and happy digital learning.